In an age when gods walked among mortals, the legendary Hercules, born of the divine union between Zeus and the mortal Almina, embarked on a quest that would echo through the annals of history. This tale begins in the ancient realm where the exploits of the mighty demigod were whispered in awe and trepidation. King Eurystheus, fueled by envy and resentment, devised a series of labors to test the mettle of Hercules. The ninth labor, a task demanding both physical prowess and diplomatic finesse, entailed obtaining the coveted golden girdle of the Amazon queen, Hippolyta. This golden belt, a gift from the god of war, Ares, symbolized not only the queen's authority, but also the indomitable spirit of the Amazonian women. Undeterred by the magnitude of the challenge, Hercules assembled a band of loyal companions and set sail for the distant shores of Themyscira, the sacred island of the Amazons. As their ship sliced through the Aegean waters, anticipation mingled with the salty breeze, signaling the imminent clash of two formidable forces. Hippolyta, a queen of unparalleled strength and grace, learned of Hercules' impending arrival through her vigilant scouts. Intrigued by the prospect of encountering a hero whose exploits had echoed across the ancient world, she prepared to meet him with a potent mix of curiosity and caution. Yet, unbeknownst to both Hercules and Hippolyta, the gods above had already begun to weave a tapestry of deception. Hera, the vengeful stepmother of Hercules, assumed the guise of an Amazon and infiltrated the tribe. Her nefarious whispers insinuated treachery and ulterior motives, casting a shadow over what could have been a harmonious meeting. As Hercules and his companions set foot on Amazonian soil, the air crackled with both anticipation and tension. The meeting between the demigod and the Amazon queen unfolded against the backdrop of divine machinations, setting the stage for a clash of not only strength, but also intellect and diplomacy. In an attempt to bridge the gap between their worlds, Hercules proposed a grand feast. Under the celestial canopy, surrounded by torches that flickered like distant stars, both parties engaged in a momentary truce. Laughter and camaraderie briefly dispelled the looming shadows of conflict. However, the gods, ever capricious in their interventions, continued to play their part. During the feast, Hercules presented Hippolyta with gifts, tokens of goodwill, meant to forge a bridge of understanding. Among these gifts was a girdle of exquisite craftsmanship, its golden glow reflecting the hero's genuine admiration for the queen's valor. Yet, Hera, the puppeteer behind the scenes, intensified her web of deceit. The Amazons, their trust eroded by whispered falsehoods, began to view Hercules not as an envoy, but as a potential threat. The festive atmosphere gave way to suspicion, and the clash between two formidable forces seemed inevitable. In the face of mounting tension, Hippolyta, wise and discerning, intervened. Confronting Hercules, she demanded clarity amid the swirling currents of confusion. The demigod, with sincerity and eloquence, laid bare the orchestrated deception of the gods, exposing Hera's meddling and the true purpose behind his quest. Faced with the revelation, Hippolyta experienced a surge of anger toward the divine manipulators. Recognizing the heroism and integrity within Hercules, she chose to defy the orchestrated conflict. In an unexpected turn of events, she willingly offered him the true golden girdle, symbolizing trust and solidarity. As the truth unfolded, the Amazons grappled with conflicting emotions, torn between loyalty to their queen and an understanding of Hercules' noble quest. Seizing the opportunity to forge a path of peace, Hippolyta brokered a truce. She not only granted Hercules the golden girdle, but also offered the support of the Amazonian warriors for his future endeavors. And so, Hercules, having navigated the treacherous waters of divine deceit and mortal misunderstanding, departed from the land of the Amazons. The ninth labor, accomplished through a delicate dance of diplomacy and strength, became a chapter in the grand tapestry of Greek mythology, a tale of gods and heroes, where the true measure of strength lay not only in physical might, but also in the courage to defy the machinations of the divine.